Hello team, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is a beautiful combo, pap and akara, or pap and moi moi. Beautiful combo for Nigerians. I'm sure my Nigerian brothers and sisters can attest to this. So you can use this for breakfast, you can use it for dinner, and you will love it. Come on guys, let's get right into the video. I have curry for akara. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have onion. You can choose not to add anything here, but yeah, this is how I love to enjoy akara. All right, we are going to blend this. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing as I'm blending it so that I can get a fluffy and a beautiful akara. Stay tuned. Be careful with water. Just add water a little bit above the beans. Don't add too much water, otherwise it will come out very liquidy. It will not form very well, okay? Make sure you blend until it is very smooth. You can blend 2 times. Yeah, you can blend this 2 times to get a fluffy and beautiful akara. Look at that. It is smooth, but go ahead and blend it more. Blend some more. This is akara. Blend until it is very smooth. I hope you saw the consistency. Can you see the consistency? This is the second blend. I'm going to blend it for the last time. This is the second blend. I'll blend it again for the last time. Now you see how very smooth it is. We are going to blend the last one. You see that the water is just a little bit above the beans. That's all you want to do. We're going to blend some more. So this is the second one, the first blend. This is the first blend. We are going to blend more. Can you see? You see the consistency? Can you see the consistency? You see the consistency? And you see how smooth for the last time. This is the last blend. Can you see how smooth? Thank you so much for watching till this moment. This is the last water from the blend. You know how we blend it in Nigeria. Usually when you're frying akara, this water should be separately. Like if you're doing business for akara, you have to separate this water. When you're mixing your beans, you're adding the water. You're mixing, you're adding. This is the water the akara women used to mix their akara. Yeah. So add it in because you're frying your akara one time. See? Now you can go in with your salt, a little bit of Maggi if you want, just a little bit. I'm going in with salt, just a little pinch of salt. I'm going in with a little bit of Maggi, just a little pinch. Mix everything in. Can you see? The consistency is still there. Can you see? Can you see? Akara is going to be ready in a minute. Mix very well. Mix. Mix very well, guys. Mix until it is well incorporated. Now we're going to check if our oil is hot enough so we can start. For my oil, I'm going to add this onion just to know if my oil is hot enough. This is our onion, showing you that the oil is ready. You can use any spoon of your choice. I'm using this. You can use ice cream scoop but I'm using these, guys. We have almost finished the akara, guys. It's always like that in this house, a baby, right? So our akara, we're going to make pap now. We are very, very hungry, guys. I love all of this crunchy. I love this part. I love it. I love. Honestly, the akara tastes so good. I'm using dried powdered yellow corn pap. I'm just going to mix the quantity that I want, just a little bit. Don't add too much because it swells. Continue to mix until it is well dissolved. This is just the consistency. Yeah. I bought this from Nigeria and I'm just trying it for the very first time since I came back, because I have pap actually. I have wet pap. I usually buy a lot from Atlanta. Whenever I travel to Atlanta to do my grocery, I buy wet pap. Very good pap. But this one is from Nigeria. Let's see what happens. Make sure your water is boiling like this. Yeah. Okay? We're going to add water now. Very good. Did you see the drop of water that I added? Yeah. See? Until I taste it, I will see how wonderful it is. But this is it. Very nice consistency. I'm going in with my honey, hot honey. It's really, really good. You can add sugar if that's what you like. You can add powdered milk. You can even add Milo if you like, depending on your choice, okay? Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. My husband likes it thicker than this, but this is how I like it. Go in with your milk if you like, okay? Yum, yum, yum. Who likes this part of akara like me, like those pieces? I just love it a lot. I told you guys my husband drinks very thick one. So this is for my husband. For my odogu, I'll say I like the wet one more. But this is really good. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't have no single lumps. It's a very good pap. It was well done. It was well prepared. The woman I bought this pap from, I know her like way back from my mother's days. Can you imagine? And she's still in Oyinbo market. The woman does good pap right from time. We usually buy pap from her. Who doesn't know that woman? Mama Chioma. And this is akara for my odogu. I'm trying to help my husband not to be taking too much milk. He likes milk a lot, but I'm telling him the way he takes his own is just too much. When I'm around, I try to just reduce it for him. For his age, he's not supposed to be taking too much. But you know, what you like, you like. This akara is so beautiful. So delicious. Not just beautiful, but very delicious. It pay me saying as small beans. Honestly, it's just small beans. But we are going to enjoy it anyhow. These are the parts I like most. I like this part most. Drop in the comment section if this was one of your favorites also for dinner or breakfast. This is a very good breakfast for your husband. It's also a very good dinner for your children also. This is good for dinner. This is good for breakfast. It's good. It's a very good combination. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Drop your opinion in the comment section, okay? Thank you very much. You guys, see how delicious. Akara is finished already.